Hey guys, after lunch you want to play video games?
Yeah!
Hello, everyone.
Who are you?
How'd you get in here?
Forget those boring sandwiches. I've got something you'll all enjoy. Brandon Bird's Astonishing World of Art.
Noah, call the police.
No need to do that. Hey, I bet you like Nicolas Cage.
What's that?
You can design a brand new hairstyle for him. Anything you want. You can color your favorite filmmaker.
Oh, sweet! Michael Bay!
Give Henry Rollins some new tattoos. Try this paint by number. You know what? Let me show you how I would do this.
Okay.
And that's not all. Stickers! Christopher Walken masks!
Hey, I'm Christopher Walken. Wow.
Connect the dots! Valentine's! Wrapping paper! Guy Fieri! And not to mention beautiful full-color artwork by yours truly. Looks like you're all my biggest fans.
I think maybe you should go.